Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a whole wheat bread in your bread machine, but it's a lighter version of wheat bread. Sometimes you may not like a wheat bread that's too heavy. I've lightened this whole wheat bread up and I'll show you how. I also have on my channel some simple tasty recipes. Don't let anyone tell you you can't cook. You just need simple and easy to follow recipes. I also have container gardening tips so you can start growing fresh vegetables for you, your family, and your friends. But right now, let's get to that recipe. Let's go. Start by adding your liquids. We have 3/4 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk. 6 tablespoons of regular cold water from your tap. And you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, and I've divided those tablespoons into 4 pieces and I'm putting in each corner of the machine. Now I'm going to add 1½ cups of bread flour, 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you need 1 teaspoon of salt. Now the salt I'm going to spread around the outside because I don't want to come in contact with the yeast at the beginning of the mixing. And then 1 tablespoon of yeast, and I'm going to make a little well. Don't worry, things spill, that's the way it is. But that's it. And then I put the lid down. I'm going to use a #1 basic white. Even though this is a light wheat bread, I think the basic white is best for this one. And it's on medium crust, 1½ pound loaf. It's going to take my machine 3 hours and 20 minutes, and I'll be back when it's done. There she is. A light wheat bread. Look at that slice, nice and soft, and there's the whole loaf. This was so easy to make. Go ahead and get in the kitchen and get your bread machine out and make this recipe. I also have some other bread machine recipes. Check them out, and I have links to them down in my description. That's it for now. Bye bye.